How to unblock someone on Discord. If you have decided to give someone a second chance or want to reconnect, unblocking is simple. First, open Discord and go to your Friends tab on the left sidebar. At the top, find and click Block tab to see everyone you have blocked. Scroll through the list to find the user you want to unblock. Click the unblock button next to their name. Alternatively, you can open their profile by searching their username, then click the three dots in the top right corner of their profile card and select Unblock. Once unblocked, that user can message you again, and you can also add them back as a friend if you want. If you are unsure about fully unblocking, try muting them instead so you don't receive notifications without fully reconnecting. Have you ever unblocked someone on Discord? Let me know in the comments below. Taking control of who you connect with helps keep your Discord experience positive and stress-free. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.